Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to deal with the play, an American play, Dutchman. Dutchman, written by Amiri Baraka, and it is a shocking one-act play, was first presented at the Cherry Lane Theatre in New York City in March 1964. The play Dutchman is a marvelous play written by Amiri Baraka, and it first presented in New York City in 1964, and it won the Obie Award for the Best of Broadway Play, putting Baraka, who was actively contributing to the 5 other plays at the time. He was still in his bohemian phase, but would the following year divorce his white Jewish wife, move to Harlem, and change his name from Leroy Jones to Amiri Baraka. Actually, he had married a Jewish lady, and she was a white too, okay? But he divorced her wife and changed his name from Leroy Jones to Amiri Baraka. Some critics points that Dutchman is an emotionally charged and highly symbolic version of Adam and Eve story. It is a biblical reference. We are very familiar with, I think you are very familiar with Adam and Eve, the biblical characters. And we already learned about Adam and Eve in our first semester in Paradise Lost. Okay, so this play Dutchman, emotionally or it symbolic version of the Adam and Eve story. So these are the brief introduction to the play Dutchman. Then, as usual, we have to discuss the biography of the author. Amiri Baraka was born on October 7th, 1934 too, and his mother was Anna Louise Russ Jones, a social worker. And earlier I mentioned that the first name was Leroy John. Then he changed his name into Amiri Baraka. And he was very educated and awarded many scholarships from universities and throughout his educational career. Then Amiri Baraka wrote many literary pieces. So Baraka's collections of essays are very familiar and very inevitable in Afro-American literature. A Black Value System is an essay written by Baraka. It is published in 1970. And Kawaida Studies, The New Nationalism, Kawaida. Kawaida Studies, The New Nationalism is another essay published in 1972. Through this essay, he explains how adopting his system of cultural values would transform black people and ultimately America. Okay, we know black peoples have their own culture and tradition, but the Americans or the white peoples trying to make them civilized, or they are trying to change their culture and change their tradition. So how the traditional cultural values and tradition changed. This is the major topic widely discussing in that 2 essays. Then Baraka remarried in 1966 Sylvia Robinson as his wife, and Sylvia Robinson was his second wife, and she also changed her name to Bibi Amina Baraka. These are the few things about our Amiri Baraka. Then we are moving to the summary of this play, Dutchman. So, it is merely a small play and including only 2 scenes. So, the first scene, Dutchman takes place in the flying underbelly of city in subway train. Okay, this first act, its first act begin from a railway station. There we can see many settings of train and its speed, passengers, and what we call, and some flashing lights, etc. These are the settings of this play. Here, Amiri Baraka introduced 20-year-old black man whose name is Clay. So Clay is the protagonist in this, the important character in this play. His name is Clay. He was a 20-year-old black man. He is riding in the train. So Clay, the protagonist, is a passenger in this train. At the beginning of this story or beginning of this play, only his seat is available. Then the second character, Lula, a girl, not a girl, 30-year-old white woman. Okay, she is a white woman named Lula. A long red hair, wearing a small revealing dress, boards the subway and daintily eating an apple. Okay. Then Amiri Baraka introduces the second character. Her name is Lula, and she is a 30 years old white woman who had long red hair and wearing a small revealing dress, and she is eating an apple. She takes a seat next to Clay. Her manner and mode of conversation with Clay was a flirtatious, okay, and she offers some apples to Clay, and she began to talk with Clay with a sexual tone. Then she began to talk about our Clay. She says that, Clay, you are a murderer and you know it. And she began to say more things about Clay, because Lula claims that she only knows so much about Clay because she is a well-known type. Well-known type is put in double inverted comma because the white peoples have a pride thought that they are the supreme. They are the supreme than any person or any race, any community in this world, and they are the educated. They are the most favorable persons for God, and they are the civilized. Such like they have many self-pride about themselves. Then Clay, we know, a black boy, 20 years old black boy, and she talks him like a well-known person. Okay. Then she invites him to the party too, which she correctly guesses he is on his way, and he accepts her company. After this, her conversation is fraught with hostile racist comments and sudden lapses of attention. Then she began to talk like a racist. She began to insult our Clay because of his skin color. She calls him as a black nigger. After some time, she began to entreat him. Then in the second scene, more seats are visible in the settings of that play. Then Lula and Clay are oblivious of them. As the scene opens, they are discussing how they will act at the party. Okay, which means Lula, before some time, Lula invited Clay to a party. So, in the second scene, they are discussing about the party. Then she started to describe about her home, and Clay demands the whole story from her about herself. Then after some time, a few more people board the subway, and again Clay notices the people who were newly came to the train. Then again her talks became as an insulting towards the Clay. It make Clay as very irritating and very desperate. Because of this insult, our Clay refuses our Lula's dance party. For this, as a reply, she responds with a string of vicious insult. She called him, "You middle class black bastard." Then Clay decided to Bailey to stop Lula's behavior, and this intolerant insult make him violent. He tries to physically force her back into her seat, and she calls him an Uncle Tom. And the other passengers began to laugh at Clay. Finally, Clay's anger rises and he grabs her, calling a dumb bitch. When he still cannot silence her, he slaps her face hard twice. It is his turn to express the anger that he has held in check until now. But his anger is more heartfelt than Lula has been. Then he tells Lula that her sexual offer misses the mark. She knows nothing of the belly rub. Her having slept with black men does not make her expert on black people. Then again, our Clay continue his speech that Clay explains educating black is dangerous for whites. For when blacks finally understand the great intellectual legacy of the white man, they will be able to rationalize murder just as the whites have done. But as he reaches across her to retrieve his books, she plunges a knife into Clay's chest. His mouth works ineffectively as he dies. Now, the complicity of the rest of the white world is made apparent as the passengers help Lula throw Clay's dead body from the train and then get off the train themselves. Because we know in this play, Amine Baraka discussing about the racial discrimination and the oppression that have implemented by white people over the black people. So here the character Lula is mistreated about Clay, but when he began to react, the whole people began to blame Clay because he is undergrass man. Okay, he is black, so everybody believes that blacks have no right to react, and they are born for to be slave under the white people. So here at last our Clay deserves death by other people, and he throw out from the train. In the last part, Lula busies herself with getting everything in order, and she has straightening her purse, bag, dress, and scribbles quickly into notebook and drops it in her bag. And she acts as nothing to happen there, and they are not bothered about the death of Claire. Okay, this is the summary of Dutchman. Then we are going to discuss the themes in Dutchman. The first theme is race and racism. Racial oppression and racial hatred lie in the heart of Dutchman. Yet the play is not a simplistic and denunciation of racism, but rather one long invective against one solution to racism. Clay is a representative of the form of assimilation practiced by many of the black middle class and a pursuit of white values and culture through white education. And in the case of Lula, Lula hates Clay not just because he is black, but because of the obvious attempt to discard his racial heritage. Then the second theme is violence and cruelty. Clay steadfastly seeks to maintain his composure in the face of Lula's violent language and cruel reminders of his lowly status in society. The question becomes, how much cruelty will Clay tolerate before he stands up for himself? Okay. The dramatic irony and symbolic tragedy of the play occurs in its final violence, when Lula stabs a knife into Clay as he reaches for his books to leave her. It is dramatic irony, and in the sense that he has finally made a stance and shown his manhood, but he fails to recognize that Lula intended all along to destroy him utterly. His tragic ending is symbolic of the violence of white oppression. The third theme is sexism. Lula is a mythical evil Eve. At the beginning, we mentioned that in Dutchman have a symbolical references of Adam and Eve. Like Eve, she eats and offers apple to Clay. In fact, she offers Clay so much of the fruit that he cannot eat anymore, because apple is a very royal food. Okay, so the apple is a very sweetest fruit that is not commonly available for based on the cost of that apple. We know apple is a very costly fruit and it is not tolerable for middle class families or poor people. Okay, then she attempts Clay with a sexual promise, murders him dispassionately with a quick stab. So sexism is a theme of Amiri Baraka's Dutchman. So these are the major discussing parts in based upon this play. So I think you should know about Harlem Renaissance. Just go through Google and just search about what is Harlem Renaissance. So these are all about Amiri Baraka's Dutchman, and please subscribe to my channel, share to your friends. Bye.